पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट स्टैम्प कलेक्शन का एग्जीबिशन हुआ है। स्टूडेंट्स बहुत सारे स्कूल में से आए हैं, एग्जीबिट में पार्टिसिपेट करें। ये इसको फिलहाल होते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है। स्टैम्प कलेक्शन करना, इसको प्रिजर्व करना, एग्जिबिट करना, ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है। इसके साथ भी इसके साथ जो स्टोरी है इसको बनाना और स्टोरी बोलना, ये सारे चीज़ इधर एग्जिबिट हुआ है। और स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इधर आए हैं, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इधर आए हैं, पार्टिसिपेट हुए। 245 फ्रेम्स इधर एग्जिबिट करें। बहुत सारे लोग आके इधर एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए। सबको मैं धन्यवाद बोलता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट करके सबको एक प्राइज़ भी दिए। ये बहुत अच्छा हॉबी है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। उनके लिए ये उनका क्रिएटिविटी के भी प्रदर्शन करने के लिए भी अवकाश है इधर। मैं सब लोगों को मैं शुभकामनाएं और पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट कंग्रेचुलेट पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट फॉर डूइंग एन एक्सीलेंट
में जब होता है तो उस जगह का इतिहास के बारे में सब लोग जान जाएंगे। जैसे कि मैंने बच्चे स्टैम्प कलेक्शन करेंगे, अगर स्टैम्प पूरा देखेंगे तो उसके बारे में, इतिहास के बारे में पता चलेगा, उस वातावरण के बारे में पता चलेगा और महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलेगा। एक तरह ये बच्चों को एक एजुकेशन के बारे में, और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि इस स्टैम्प कलेक्शन के द्वारा ये एक हॉबी नहीं, एक बिजनेस भी है। कुछ ऐसे यहाँ पर स्टैम्प्स हैं जो करोड़ों रुपए के हैं, यहाँ पर लाखों के हैं, बट कुछ स्टैम्प्स ऐसे हैं जो करोड़ों रुपए के चलते हैं। तो एक अपनी ईमान आपका बिल में एक स्टैम्प दे के जाते हैं। तो ये जो चीज़ है, पहली बार तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट आने के इस बार पहली बार इतना बड़ा एक फंक्शन हुआ है और 1 लाख बच्चों को लेटर राइटिंग कंपटीशन में भी इन लोगों ने लाया है। तो उन लोगों को एक एजुकेशन, उन लोगों को एक तरह आकर्षित कर रहा है क्या क्या इतिहास है। और उन लोगों को मैंने पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट के काम के बारे में, पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट आजकल बहुत काम कर रहा है। केवल लेटर के बारे में ही नहीं, हमारा गवर्नमेंट का बहुत सारा काम पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट कर रहा है। तो सब लोगों को एक साथ लाने के लिए जो पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट ने किया, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण एक फंक्शन है और इसके लिए उनको बधाई देना चाहते हैं। और हम चाहते हैं कि हम पहले जानते थे कि पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट के लोग जहाँ कोई नहीं जा सकता वहाँ हैं। अब जानते हैं कि हर एक गांव में एक पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट है। अगर गवर्नमेंट को किसी गांव में पहुंचना है तो पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू हम पहुंच सकते हैं। तो इस तरह एक पूरी जनता को पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट की तरह आकर्षित करने के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण फंक्शन है। बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
करीब बच्चों ने स्पर्श की कंपटीशन में जो है लेटर राइटिंग कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किए। उसमें से करीब 44 बच्चों को, 44 बच्चों को हम लोग स्कॉलरशिप भी दिए थे। कल जो उसकी फंक्शन हुई थी, 3 दिनों का फंक्शन बहुत अच्छी चली है। ये हमारे लिए गर्व है कि तेलंगाना स्टेट पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट।
कितने स्कूल के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करें साहब? कितने स्कूल के बच्चे, कितने स्कूल्स करें?
Telangana Brings 2018, which is the first state level philatelic exhibition after the new state of Telangana has been formed. This exhibition has had a grand opening on the 14th, and we had about more than 3,000 children from 40 different schools visiting the exhibition and seeing the collection displayed here. And we have the collection in about more than 300 frames on different topics like birds, flora, fauna, environment, pre-independence of India, the British India, and so many other topics which are of academic as well as organizational interest. And we had about more than about 50 philatelists displaying their collection across the country, and these were seen and adjudged by a very eminent jury which came from different parts of the country. And today we had this valedictory function. We had the chief guest, Sri P. Kalyan Chakravarti Garu, who is the DG PDRI, and Sri Ramachandram Garu, who is the Vice Chancellor of Osmania University. And in their presence, we had this grand valedictory ceremony and the prize distribution. Thank you very much. And a very, very warm welcome to all the dignitaries on the dais, to the eminent jury, to all the philatelists, to the print and electronic media, and to my lovely and smiling brothers and sisters of the Muslim family. You know, when they say that the function has started, this philatelic exhibition, Telangana Mix 2018, has started off with the inaugural function. It was almost clear in our minds that a good start is a successful exhibition where we would be a great success, and that is what has happened. And today with us, we have Professor Ramachandram Garu, who is the Vice Chancellor, Osmania University, as our chief guest for this valedictory function. He is a very proactive academician with a vision for promotion of excellence in higher education. Born in the year 1959 in the district of Nalgonda, he has completed his studies in the computer science, and he has assumed charge as the 24th Vice Chancellor of the 100-year-old Osmania University on 28th July in the year 2016. He has presented, he has actually very successfully conducted the Osmania University centenary celebrations in a very grand manner, which were over just few months back. And during his tenure, Osmania University has been awarded A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. We are very happy and proud to have Sri Professor Ramachandram Garu as our chief guest of today. And our DPS Satyanarayana Reddy Garu will be joining me in this welcome address. All of you to this valedictory function.
Research and Training Institute, Hyderabad. He did his schooling and college from Little Flower School and College. He is the holder of state rank in intermediate. He did his BTech from IIT Madras and management from prestigious IIM. Of Commercial Taxes and Excise, Project Director of World Bank, General Manager, Food Corporation of India, Department of Food, Government of India. And now I will just narrate about his contributions so far. He opened the sea route to Bangladesh for food supplies. And he was very instrumental in getting more than 300 extremists surrendered and rehabilitated them. He headed several counter-insurgency operations, and he is the member of core team in
Welcome to all of you. ఈ యొక్క క్లోజింగ్ సెరమనీ 2014 తర్వాత స్టేట్ లెవెల్ ఫిలాటలీ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కంబైన్డ్ స్టేట్స్లో ఏపీ అండ్ తెలంగాణలో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి మొట్టమొదటి స్టేట్ లెవెల్ ఫిలాటలీ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఇది. ఇంతకుముందు 2014లో విజయవాడలో జరిగింది స్టేట్ బైఫర్కేట్ కాకముందు. సో ఇది ఎంతో అలాగే డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఈబీఆర్ఐ శ్రీ కళ్యాణ్ చక్రవర్తి గారు, జ్యూరీ యొక్క ఇంపార్టెంట్ మెంబర్ బయాన్ వాలా గారు, and my colleagues, available on the dais. One of the most important functionaries.
Brigadier Chandrasekhar, Chief Postmaster, Sri Anand Chaudhary, IAS, Sri Irani Chaudhary, Hyderabad, another eminent person on the days, of the days, children and parents, good evening to all. First of all, I should congratulate the postal department for doing this kind of events to encourage the children to participate. In fact, this is the first time I have seen kind of exhibition like this. I heard of this library, but then I never listened.
So when I was a district collector, if I had to find out, if there's an extremist here or there or not, in the northeast, the only government department, we cannot reach some of the villages in the border areas when there are extremists. But the only place in the border areas also somebody goes, it's a postman. So, that is the fact. The postman across through the centuries, they say that they used to ride horses 50,000 kilometers in order to make the stamps reach. There used to be special channels by which the information would reach. In fact, the postal stamps probably carry that. They used to go horses, they used to go probably by vehicles. Do a little bit of understanding and reading about philately as a hobby. And what I see is that every stamp, especially for the children, is not a story. It is perhaps a number of stories. And every stamp has a history to it. So as you collect the stamps, for the philatelists it's a passion. Like for example, there are some stamps which you collect which are old, which are perhaps worth about millions of dollars. That means in Indian rupees each stamp is worth 6 crores. I saw one stamp here which is worth lakhs of rupees. Now if it was a jewelry shop, I was telling our postmaster general here, there would be a lot of security around that place. But some of the stamps there are so costly, and some of the philatelists who are having the stamps must be having fortunes in terms of the stamps themselves. Besides, of course,
Technology, where we have emails, WhatsApps, Instagrams, and so on. But I was only thinking that how this postal department will survive. And of course, as just now Kalyan Chakravarti told, so this is the one department where it reaches who can call the floor. And obviously you could use this network to reach the people. And that's exactly now the government is pushing various schemes through these postal services. And also I am very happy to know that this postal department is also embracing the technology. Also it is interesting, it's also very costly because the collection of these stamps is not going to be easy job. Of course, all of us have copies which probably would like to brush them in the use of time and then get some pleasure out of that. And I'm so happy that I'm here today in the midst of you who pursue this directly as a hobby. And also I should appreciate the department of the postal department who arrange this kind of exhibitions. I also find there's a lot of creativity behind this. I know these stamps brought out different occasions to commemorate different personalities. And there's a lot of story behind that. And to construct this, very happy that they are coming this idea of encouraging students to letter writing. And this is very interesting because the writing skills are common. Because I'm in education, so we know that when we also see the answer the students write, over a period of time, the writing skills of the students have come down drastically. Probably because of the changes that have been brought into the education system. Probably because of the technology is important. Of course, there are being some prizes, of course. But then you can continue whether you win the prize or not. You can continue your hobby. Because as I said, philanthropy I find it's very interesting. There's a lot of hidden history there, hidden culture there. So you can exercise your mind and you can come up with creative stories. And I wish you continue your hobby. And I wish all the families all the best. And again, congrats with me, the postal department for doing a wonderful work. Thank you very much.